Welcome back to Easy Learning. Today we are going to discuss the problems related to division algorithm. Okay, first let's try one example given in your textbook, that is example number 9. Here we are given a polynomial and two zeros of the polynomial are also given. So let's see the question. Find all the zeros of 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 2. Two of its zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. Okay, we know what is zero of a polynomial is. What is zero of a polynomial? Zero of a polynomial is the value of x at which our polynomial is equal to 0. That is the zero of that polynomial. So here two zeros of the polynomials are given, root 2 and minus root 2. Here we know that there will be at most 4 zeros of the polynomial will be there. Why there will be at most 4 zeros? Because the highest exponent of x is 4. Then there will be at most 4 zeros of polynomial will be there for this particular polynomial. Here we are given 2 zeros, root 2 and minus root 2. We are asked to find all the other zeros. That means remaining 2 zeros will be there that we have to find. Okay, so our p of x is equal to 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 2. Okay, then two zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. First thing what we have to do is we have to write all the informations which are given in our question. So two zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. That means x equals root 2, x equals minus root 2 are the two zeros which is given in the question. That means x plus root 2 into x minus root 2 is a factor of this polynomial, isn't it? These two are factors of this polynomial. X plus root 2 and x minus root 2 is a factor of this polynomial p of x. We know that a plus b into a minus b is what? A square minus b square. So this will be equal to x square minus root 2 square. What is root 2 square? That is x square minus 2. Okay, x square minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial p of x. Then what is our next step? We will be dividing our p of x with this factor. Okay, is it clear? We are going to divide p of x with our factor x square minus 2. You know how the division algorithm is. First we will write a polynomial. We are going to divide it with x square minus 2. Okay, tell me what's the first step? What we will do first? First we will take the first term, 2x raised to 4, and we are going to divide it the first term of the divisor. This is our dividend and this is our divisor. We will take the first term of the dividend and we will divide it with the first term of our divisor, that is x square. This will become 2x square. So that is our quotient, 2x square. Then what is the next step? 2x raised to 2x square into x square is 2x raised to 4 minus 2x square into minus 2. 2x square into minus 2 is minus 4x square. Do we have a term of x cube here? No. Then we will put 0 minus 4x square. Minus 4x square. Minus 4x square. Then what we will do? We will subtract. Isn't it? We will subtract these terms from the bottom terms. 2x raised to 4 minus 2x raised to 4 is 0. Minus 3x cube plus 0 is minus 3x cube. Minus 3x square plus 4x square is plus x square. Then we will take these terms down. Our normal division process, that's all. Then this is our new dividend. Then what we will do? We will take the first term of our new dividend and we'll divide it with our divisor, that is minus 3x cube by x square. This will become minus 3x. That we will write in the quotient, minus 3x. Then same step, we are going to multiply minus 3x with each term of the divisor. Then this will become minus 3x into x square is minus 3x cube. So this will be minus 3x cube. Minus 3x into minus 2 is minus minus plus 3 into 2, 6. 6x. So there is no x square term, so 0 plus 6x. 6x. Subtract minus 3x cube plus 3x cube is 0. X square minus 0 is x square. 6x minus 6x is 0. And minus 2, we'll write it down. X square minus 2, this will be. Then our dividend is x square minus 2. Take the first term of our new dividend, x square minus 2, that is x square, and divide it with the first term of the divisor. That means x square by x square. Right? X square by x square is 1. This will become plus 1. Then multiply 1 with each term of divisor. 1 into x square is x square. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Subtract. This will become 0. So our remainder is 0. Then what is our quotient? Our quotient is 2x square minus 3x plus 1. This is our quotient. Quotient is 2x square minus 3x plus 1. We know that dividend will be always equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So our dividend is what? So what's the dividend? 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 is equal to divisor x square minus 2 into quotient 2x square minus 3x plus 1 plus 0. Remainder is 0. So 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 equals divisor x square minus 2 into quotient 2x square minus 3x plus 1. So we have proved our division algorithm. Now next what we have to do? We have to find the other two zeros of a polynomial. We know that this is a quadratic polynomial, right? 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is a quadratic polynomial. Then by splitting of the term we can find the two values of x. What will be the value? We need to get the product 2 and sum minus 3. What are the two numbers? Product 2 and sum minus 3. That is equal to 2x square minus 2x minus x plus 1. Isn't it? 2x square minus 2x minus x plus 1. Minus 2x minus x is minus 3x. 2 into 1 is 2. Okay. Then what we will do? We will take the common factors out. From this we will take 2 common, 2x common, 2x into x minus 1 minus x minus 1. Okay. Minus x minus minus 1 is plus 1. So minus x minus 1. This will become 2x minus 1 into x minus 1, which is equal to 2x minus 1 into x minus 1. 2x equals 1, x equals 1 by 2. Here x equals 1. So what will be the other zeros? X equal to 1 by 2 and x equal to 1 are the other two zeros of our polynomial. We know two zeros which is given in the question, root 2 and minus root 2. Other two zeros will be x equal to 1 by 2 and x equal to 1. This is the way you have to solve this type of problems. Okay, they may not ask you directly to prove division algorithm. They will be asking questions like this. The one or two zeros will be given and you will be asked to find out the other two zeros. So you can perform these steps. Okay, it's very easy. Once when two zeros are given, that means those two zeros will be the factors of our polynomial. Using that you can do the division algorithm in this way. Is it clear? Let's move on to our exercise 2.3. I am going to do the question number 2 of exercise 2.3. First part, question number 2 is very similar to the above examples you have done, but still we are going to do one problem from this. Here we are given two polynomials p of x and g of x. We have to divide p of x by g of x and find the quotient and the remainder, and we need to prove our division algorithm for polynomials. Very simple to do. Okay, let's start. One thing you have to note here our p of x is in the general form, right? But look at g of x, is it in the general form? No. So first thing what you have to do is you have to write this g of x in its general form. P of x is okay, g of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. This is a general form of a second degree polynomial. So directly we can move on to our division process. X raised to 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 divided by x square minus x plus 1. Right? What we have to do? We have to take the first terms from the dividend and the divisor, and we are going to divide it. X raised to 4 by x square, that is x square. So our quotient will become x square. X square into x square is x raised to 4. Simple multiplication. X square minus x is minus x cube, right? Do we have a x cube term in our p of x? No, but you have to be very careful when you are doing this subtraction process. Okay, here we don't have a x cube term. Next is x square plus x square into 1 is x square. So that is plus x square. We are going to subtract. X raised to 4 minus x raised to 4 is 0. Here x cube term is not there. That means 0. 0 minus x cube, right? So this will become x cube. 3 minus 3x square minus x square. Minus 3x square minus x square will become minus 4x square. Then this 4x will write down. Okay, then what we will do? We are going to divide x cube with x square. This will become x, right? X cube by x square, that is x. X into x square is x cube. X into minus x is minus x square. X into 1 is x, that is plus x. Again subtraction. 0. Minus 4x square plus x square is minus 3x square. 4x minus x is plus 3x. Then this 5 we are going to write it down. Here it is minus 3x square and x square. Minus 3x square and x square. We have to perform this operation until our exponent of x becomes less than exponent of divisor. Okay, divisor, x in the x term of divisor, first term of our divisor. When this becomes, suppose if this is minus 3x, then we cannot divide it with x square. When the exponent of our when the first term of our dividend, x term, first term of our dividend power is becoming less than divisor, then we cannot continue this operation. Okay, minus 3x square by x square is minus 3. This will become minus 3. Minus 3 into x square is minus 3x square. Minus 3 into minus 3 is plus 3x. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. So again subtraction. Minus 3x square plus 3x square 0. 3x minus 3x 0. 5 plus 3 is 8. That means our remainder is 8 here. Okay, so here our quotient is x square plus x minus 3 and the remainder is 8. Then we will check whether our division algorithm is satisfying or not. We know that dividend, I will write it here, dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is our divisor? Divisor is x square minus x plus 1 into our quotient. Quotient is x square plus x minus 3 plus remainder is 8. We will see whether this is equal to our dividend p of x. This will become x raised to 4, x square into x raised to 4 plus x cube minus 3x square minus x cube minus x square plus 3x plus x square plus x minus 3 plus 8. Okay, x raised to 4 term is, there is only one term for x raised to 4 plus x cube minus x cube, we strike it out. Then any other term? No. Minus 3x square minus x square is minus 4x square, and there is one x square plus x square is here, so this will become minus 3x square minus 3x square plus x minus 3x square minus 3x minus 4x square plus x square, this will become minus 3x square. Then 3x plus x, 3x plus x will become 4x. Minus 3 plus 8 is plus 5. So this is equal to our dividend. This is equal to our dividend. So we have proved the division algorithm. Okay, let's move on to our next problem. P of x equals x raised to 4 minus 5x plus 6 and g of x equals 2 minus x square. We have to divide p of x with g of x. Okay, let's start the division process. That is x raised to 4 minus 5x plus 6 divided by 2 minus x square. So we have to write it as x minus x square plus 2. Isn't it? In its general form. So this will become x raised to 4 by minus x square will become what? Minus x square. Minus x square. Isn't it? Then minus x square into minus x square is x raised to 4. Minus x square into 2 is minus 2x square. Okay. We are going to subtract. X raised to 4 minus x raised to 4, 0. Is there any x square term? No. That is 0 minus plus 2x square. This will become 2x square minus 5x. We will write it down. Okay. Then 2x square and minus x square. That will become minus 2. Then minus 2 into minus x square is 2x square. Minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Okay. Again subtraction. 2x square minus 2x square is 0. Minus 5x, there is no x term here. Minus 5x plus, minus 0 is minus 5x. This will be plus 4. Okay. Then we will take the 6 also down. Fine. Here look at the first term here. First term of our new dividend here, that is minus 5x. What is the power of x here? That is 1. And what is the power of x in the divisor? That is 2. So we cannot continue division like this. Okay. So this will become minus 5x plus 10. Right? Minus 5x plus 10 is the remainder. This is the minus 5x plus 10 is the remainder. Then we will see whether our algorithm is correct or not. Okay, we have proved our division algorithm or not. So dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. What's our divisor here? Minus x square plus 2 into quotient is minus x square minus 2. Minus x square minus 2 plus remainder is minus 5x plus 10. Minus 5x plus 10, which is equal to minus x square into minus x square is x raised to 4. Minus x square into minus 2 is plus 2x square. This is minus 2x square minus 4 minus 5x plus 10. Okay, plus 2x square and minus 2x square will strike it out. Then this will become x raised to 4 minus 5x minus 4 plus 10 is plus 6. So we have proved that dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. Quotient is minus x square minus 2 and the remainder is minus 5x plus 10. Okay, let's move on to our next problem. Question number 2 of exercise 2.3. We are doing the second part of it. We have to check whether x square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial 3x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. Okay, we are going to check whether this is a factor of this polynomial. For any number to be a factor of another number, when we are dividing those two numbers, okay, when we are dividing, so for example, if we are dividing 10 with 2, okay, we are getting the remainder 0. If the remainder is equal to 0, then this divisor and the quotient can be said as the factors of our dividend only if our remainder is equal to 0. For example, if I am going to divide 10 with 3, okay, what is our remainder? Remainder is 1. That means 3 is not a factor of 10. 3 is a factor of 10? No, 3 is not a factor of 10. Why? Because when we are dividing it with 3, we are not getting a remainder 0. Our remainder is 1 here. Whenever we are dividing two numbers, if the remainder happens to be 0, then that number will be a factor of the dividend. Okay, then the divisor and the quotient both will be factors of that dividend. We will try some other examples. Suppose 15. Okay, I am going to divide it with 3. 5 3s are 15. We are getting a remainder 0. 5 and 3 are factors of 15, isn't it? 5 and 3, that is our divisor and the quotient are factors of the dividend. Only when our remainder is equal to 0. When we are dividing those two numbers, when we are getting the remainder 0, then only we can say that divisor and the quotient will be the factors of that dividend. Okay, so here we are given, we have to check whether x square plus 3x plus n is a factor of this polynomial. If any number to be a factor, what we have to write? Only when remainder is equal to 0, then only this number will be a factor of our polynomial. Okay, so how we have to do? We have to perform the division algorithm, taking this as our divisor and this is our dividend. We are going to divide these two polynomials. If the remainder is equal to 0, then the divisor and the quotient will be factors of our dividend. Okay, we'll try that. You can note it somewhere here. If r equals 0, then the divisor and the quotient will be factors of the dividend. That is dividend equals divisor, remainder is 0 plus 0 it will, this is remainder is 0. So dividend equals divisor into quotient. If remainder equals 0, then the divisor and quotient will be factors of our dividend. So let's try this. 3x raised to 4 and x square. 3x raised to 4 by x square. 3x raised to 4 by x square. This will become 3x square. 3x square. 3x square into x square is 3x raised to 4 plus 9x cube plus 3x square. Subtract. This will become minus 4x cube minus 10x square plus 2x. Minus 4x cube and x square, that will become minus 4x. Minus 4x into x square is minus 4x cube minus 12x square minus 4x. Again subtract. minus 10x square plus 12x square is 2x square plus 6x plus 2. 2x square and x square. 2x square divided by x square is 2 plus 2. 2x square plus 6x plus 2. This will become 0. Our remainder is 0. So we got a remainder as 0. That means 3x square minus 4x plus 2 and x square plus 3x plus 1 are the two factors of our dividend. Dividend equals 3x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2 equals x square plus 3x plus 1 into quotient 3x square minus 4x plus 2. This is the way you have to do. Clear? Let's discuss our fourth problem. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by g of x, the quotient and remainder are x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4. We have to find g of x. Here we are given dividend equals x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Divisor is g of x. Quotient is x minus 2 and the remainder is minus 2x plus 4. We have to find g of x. We have to find the divisor here. We know that dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. Direct substitution dividend we know x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 equals g of x into x minus 2 plus quotient plus remainder minus 2x plus 4. From here what is g of x? What is g of x? We will write it here, g of x into x minus 2 equals, we'll subtract here x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus 2x plus 4. When we take it to the other side, this will become plus 2x minus 4, right? What is this? X cube minus 3x square, x plus 2x is plus 3x minus 2. Okay, then g of x will be this one divided by x minus 2. X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. Then our division algorithm. We are going to divide x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. Okay, let's do the division. This will be x square into x, x cube minus 2x square. Subtract minus x square plus 3x minus x. This will become minus x square plus 2x x minus 2. Okay, now the power of x is 1. Here also the power of x is 1. We can divide again. This will become plus 1, that is x minus 2. So the remainder is 0. Okay, x square minus x plus 1 is the quotient when we are dividing these two. So our g of x will be what? G of x is, therefore g of x equals x square minus x plus 1. Is it clear? These are all division algorithm problems, only very simple. Once you know the concept, it will be very easy to execute. Okay, these are the problems.